Hi everyone, I'm Leszek Jaskiewicz. I'm riding for JCT cycling team. This year I'm racing in under 23 category. I'm going to start in World Championships, European Championships, in some World Cups. And of course, my biggest dream is to defend national champion title this year. And of course, doing my best on the World Championships. So this is my bike, specialized S-Works Epic 8 on the really nice, great stuff on it, in a really nice setup. This frame is so beautiful, very colorful. And of course, we have a full XX drive train. Look X-Track pedals, XX crank set, dropper from Divine Bike Joke, and on it we have saddle from Selle Italia. Wheels setup from No Limited Wheels is equipped in Pirelli tires XCRC Scorpion 2.4. We have a really nice suspension like RockShox seat Ultimate in front, 120, and in the back we have RockShox Seat Lux Ultimate 80 millimeters. And this is all my bike, and it's ready for the upcoming races.